I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these solar Firefly lights. These things are really neat because they actually have 2 solar panels on here, so you can actually charge these on cloudy days. One of the other things I really like is this little band right here can slide up and down on these little flexible beads here. So you can move these however you want to move them, however far up and down with just this little edge here. And these can get moved and then they'll kind of sway around in the wind and they'll look really pretty. All you have to do is on the bottom, we just turn this onto the on position, and then we have our stake that we put into the hole, and we put them in the ground, and then we let the sun do the rest of the work. So we're going to shove these in here and then do the same thing for the other one. These can all move. Like if you wanted to bend them, you could actually just bend them down too because of the way the little strings are made. We're going to put this in here, and then we will come back tonight and we will look and see how pretty they are. Well, they were right. We had a cloudy and stormy day all day today, and these little solar lights lit up and they look really cute with my flowers. They actually accentuate the lighting on the flowers too. They're all lit up nice and looking good.